What I have here today is a clever tool that combines measuring and marking in one smooth motion. Meet the Morgan Square. It's perfect for carpenters, framers, and DIYers that will be doing any kind of stud layout work. So let's take a look and see what makes this so unique. We opted for the blue anodized aluminum 8x8 model. The Morgan Square works with your existing tape measure and you just clip it in. It's made from color anodized aluminum or durable plastic and is available in two sizes, from 8x8 or 8x12 inch models. Also comes in a ton of different colors. You've got a laser etch ruler in both standard and metric scales, a built-in pencil holder, and 1.5 inch tongue width with center aligning marks for quick layout, making accurate stud placement a breeze. Clip in your tape, hold your pencil, slide along your boards, and mark your stud locations instantly. No need to switch between marking with a tape measure and then going back and scribing lines with your square. Anyone that has had to lay out studs knows that you need to hold your tape 3/4 of an inch in or out to keep your stud edge spacing marks correct. Now with the Morgan Square, finding the edge and middle of studs is easy because of the centerline tab that you just line up with the common stud layout marks on your tape measure. Should you have to lay out any openings in your frame wall, the Morgan Square helps here too. With the addition of an 1.5 inch marking, you can mark your king and trimmer studs easily. So let's break it down. You definitely have some pros where this is going to speed up your layout. It's going to reduce your errors. What's really nice is there's no switching between tools, so you can just do all your marking and drawing lines all in one simple operation. It does have a nice solid build quality, and it's obviously compatible with most standard tape measures. As far as cons, for some old school guys, this is going to be a little bit of a learning curve. And don't throw away your speed square yet, as this square does not help with angle finding or rafter layout.